And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
More mild conditions out there across northeast Wisconsin today. Most areas getting at least either close to 40 degrees or hitting 40 degrees, including in Green Bay, Oshkosh, Wapaka as well, hitting 40 and 40 degrees in Manitowoc. Currently, it's 39 degrees in Green Bay. That fog has really increased and set in across Green Bay and areas along the lakeshore. Visibility down to a quarter mile. In Appleton, things much better. Very good visibility there. 37 degrees the current temperature. Winds are calm. Here's a look at visibility across northeast Wisconsin. Again, if you're around the lake and lakeshore areas up through Door County, that's where we're going to see the worst fog, but it'll still be foggy and we'll have some reduced visibilities across most of the area as we move into tonight, into tomorrow morning. Wind speeds very light once again, calm conditions. We have very mild weather. We have also very light winds, and we've been melting snow over the last several days. So there's just a lot of moisture content in the air. So this foggy stretch looks to continue for tomorrow, even on into Tuesday morning at least, and then things will change after that. Temperatures are in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees, still 40 in Shawano. It's 37 in Sturgeon Bay, 37 in Manitowoc, and 38 degrees right now in Oshkosh. 24-hour planner will stay with the lows dropping down into the middle to lower 30s across northeast Wisconsin. Foggy overnight tomorrow. We'll get up to right around 40 degrees once again, and it'll be a very similar day to today. A lot of clouds, maybe a sprinkle or some drizzle, but that would be about it. Active weather, though, down to the south. More severe weather impacting the southeast. We told you about that tornado yesterday in Mississippi. More tornadoes rocking parts of Georgia and Florida out there today. And a high risk for severe weather. That's fairly rare, especially this time of year for southern Georgia and northern Florida. Now, the bigger picture, we are going to be watching off to the west. A big storm system slamming the west coast right now. That's going to be our big weather maker for the middle of the week to really change things here in northeast Wisconsin. We've been in this very mild, cloudy, and kind of dreary pattern, but that's going to change. And it's going to come with some snow. If you're hoping for some accumulating snow, it looks like we are going to see some here as we head into Tuesday night and then into Wednesday morning. Snowfall amounts, we're still having some questions as to the track of this thing, how much rain mixes in as well for some areas, but a good 1 to 3 inches looking pretty solid with maybe some higher amounts in our western communities up over 3 inches. We'll keep you posted as we get closer, but for tonight rather, into tomorrow, still cloudy and foggy, relatively dry conditions apart from maybe a sprinkle or some mist, but that would be about it. Your forecast tonight down to 32 degrees, cloudy and foggy. Some of that fog could be dense in spots. Tomorrow up to 40, more mild weather, but with that snow for the middle of the week, after that, it gets colder. Temperatures will get closer towards average, especially as we get towards Friday. You'll notice, though, not a lot of sunshine in this forecast. It's looking more and more likely that we could stay fairly cloudy, you know, even on into early next week. That's being optimistic with those peaks of sun you see there on the 7 day.
We need a break with a little bit of sunshine.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit depressing, but we'll keep you posted. Hopefully things will change a little bit.
All right, wonderful. Thanks, Matt.